Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to use Float Time Widget in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So the Float Time Widget in Odoo is used to handle fields that represent time values in a floating point format. So let's understand. First, we have to define the float field in our object. So here in our object mol.soap, I define closing time field, and this is the float field. I give the string value closing time, and I write time in hours into the help attribute. So now define this closing time field into the XML side. So into the form view of mol.soap object, I define the field closing time, and before using the float time widget, you can see so this is our mol.soap object menu, and before using the float time widget, you can see here closing time field is represent like a decimal values. So now we use float time widget into this closing time field. So let's write widget float time. So here we write widget float time into this closing time field. So now restart the server and let's move to the browser. Reload this page. Here you can see field closing time represent as a time value, and if I write 10.40 and save this record, so this value can be represented in a time format value. So this is how the widget float time is used in Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.